Hi there, nature lovers and jewelry lovers. This is Madeline with Wire and Fire Jewelry, and this is our frequently asked question video under the general topic of nature in the winter and holidays. And today's question is, what can you do during the cold without snow? What can you do outdoors? Well, a lot of people just say, I'm not going. But I have some nice ideas for you that are easy and free to cheapo, which is always fun. And first, I want to mention that if you like these videos and you want to keep getting them, to like it and subscribe. And there are some previous videos on this topic, about a couple of them, so you'll be able to see those too. And I will have a different topic every week and a different overall topic every month. So they'll be different all the time. So today's question is, what can you do in the cold without snow? So you're going to be outside. So my first idea that could be a real riot is to try making a cardboard box sled. And so I will have a link below for that. And the ingredients are a big cardboard box and a black garbage bag, or a garbage bag, a nice sturdy one. Usually they're those black ones. So a lot of them were decorated that I saw online and looked like a lot of fun. And you can sled on grass with that thing. So for another answer to what can you do in the cold without snow, you can have a snowball fight with old socks. So start saving your holey socks right now, and you roll them up into a ball, and then just have a sock fight outdoors. I could go with that, even as an adult. We need to have fun. So another idea for what can you do in the cold without snow is to make bird feeders out of pine cones, peanut butter, and bird seeds. You just smear the peanut butter all over the pine cone, and then you roll it up and roll it all over in the seeds. And you could do that outdoors. It might be a lot messier if you're doing with kids or grandkids. And then just hang it up on any tree limb and a nice short string. So another idea for what can you do in the cold without snow is to just take a walk, either in a different neighborhood, so it's not always the same thing, you don't get bored, or you can go to a local nature trail. I'm in Oklahoma. We have at least 2 nature trails close to me, just a few miles away. So check that out. Most cities and towns have some kind of a hiking trail, nature trail, something of that sort. It doesn't have to be anything big or long. Okay, so if you're liking these videos, please subscribe and hit that like button, and so that you can keep getting notified when I release a new one. And I'll be releasing more now that the holiday craziness is toned down. So I have one more idea for what you can do in the cold without snow. And that's bird watching, which I really love doing. I've been doing it from my dining room window, but outdoors would be even better because you can hear their songs better. And there is a Merlin Bird ID app you can get on your phone. You can take pictures with your phone, but I'd use that app just to identify the birds. And you want a pair of binoculars. And for all these activities outdoors, you want to bundle up, of course, and layer, and maybe have some hot chocolate with you. So, and I want to thank you for joining me today to talk about what you can do, what can you do in the cold without snow. And if you tune in tomorrow, there will be another video with a new topic having to do with New Year's. Thanks for watching.